Marlo, I'm going to cut your head off.
clothing.
I'm going to cut your head off, Marlo.
No. I've got a tennis racket. Tennis can cut you off.